Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Trello with Discord. So the first thing that you need to do is simply go to Trello.com as well as Discord.com. Right? So Discord.com, hit the enter button. Make sure to log in both your accounts in Discord and in Trello. So as an example, in Trello, I'm already logged in. In Discord, I'm just going to go and open it here in the browser. And of course, I will log in into my accounts if I'm not logged in. I guess I am logged in. So, as example, I'm just going to log in into this as example. Let me just go here and log in into that account right away and click on login. Yes, I am a human, of course. Of course, you'll have to do the same. If you're not logged in, you'll have to go and log in. Example, they're asking me for to like check in my Gmail. So I'm just going okay right here. So yeah, Discord verified login, and I should be good to go. Yeah, so log in and okay, to do it again. Sure. Here, I'm just entering my information, click on login again, and yeah, here we are logged in. So as you can see in here, I'm already logged in. Now, yeah, apply all that. I don't care. Can just close those. Know how to simply integrate Trello with Discord. To do so, as an example, we can use a tool called Zapier. So we can go to zapier.com, hit the enter button, log in into an account again. For me, I'm going to use a Google account. You can use all the account that you want if you don't want to get through all the bunch steps of creating or even logging into your account. And here, of course, you'll need to go and create a Zap. So you can go and click on Zaps and simply create a new one, new Zap. And simply here, you can integrate your Trello with so as an example, I'll just type here into, I'll just type the idea of this video. So integrates Trello with Discord. That's hit the enter button on this AI, and basically it will create stuff for me. I'm just going to add this right away. And yeah, of course, here where you'll be able to do a lot of stuff, like when you receive something in Trello, you get a notification on Discord and a lot of stuff. So it's up to you to do whatever you want. So example, you'll have just to wait on this AI. Of course, if you don't want to wait on it, you can simply make it by your own. So example, when you create a new card, you will send a message on Discord. Yeah, I'm just going to add them. And now all you need to do, just go and select your accounts, example on Trello and Discord right away. And yeah, here, keep scrolling, add the server example, this one, authorize, all good. And yes, I am a human. And of course, you'll need to allow all of this. Yep, here we are. We are connected. If you're connected on both, of course, you can test on trigger on both. Like continue here, of course, you can basically like choose whatever you want, channels and etc. So the text, and all you need to do as an example. So I'm just going to, I'm not going to do that at the moment. You can test this example, the step. Yeah, I'm just going to skip it at the moment. So once you finish, of course, you can just publish the tab or the zip. And of course, now whenever you create a new card, you will get a message on your Discord. That's how you integrate it both. As example, this is just one of the ways you can use Zapier. You can use a lot of stuff, and it's up to you to choose whatever you want. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.